Mary from PureEquestrian here, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going on a road ride with one of my friends. So we are going probably for about a 2-hour road ride, which is really exciting, and she's bringing her horse, so it should be really good. And it's finally lovely weather outside. It's sunny, it's warm. I'm in a singlet. Like, I'm so happy. It's finally feeling like summer. Hopefully the weather holds out for Christmas. So I'll show you guys what I'm wearing before I leave. So I've just got super simple makeup on, and then I'm wearing a black sports bra with just this singlet, which is just tucked in at the front to make it more comfortable. John Whittaker breeches, which are really comfy, and then just blue socks. So I'll probably wear my jumper boots on our ride just because they're way more comfortable than my tall boots.
Oh my baby, got me staring at you, so I'm crazy. Watch you bend that back for me. We won't stop, got your feet.
Mary here, hi, hello, yep. So I know it looks really sunny at the start of our ride, but it didn't end up being very sunny. It wasn't supposed to rain until 8 o'clock at night and we left at 2. So we were expecting it to be a really nice, sunny, summery ride, but it's not what happened.
You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking with you. I know it, you know it, we make it. Crazy. Oh my baby, got me staring at you, so I'm crazy. Watch you bend that back for me. We won't stop, got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking with you. I know it, you know it, we make it.
See, the sky is progressively getting more grey and it's starting to get like kind of stormy looking.
Sun is out here overseas. Dark emotions ever torn so deep, falling down through the clouds on, feeling you.
actually gonna die. This is the point we realised we were gonna get caught in the middle of the storm. Listening really carefully in this next clip, you can start to hear the thunder coming in.
Sacrifice will prove instead. Through the landscape.
Next clip, the thunder does sound a bit like wind, but I promise you there was absolutely no wind on this ride. Like, it was so still, and that's kind of what made this even more scary, was the fact that it was just thunder and lightning. Like, it was a big thunderstorm, and it did end up hailing. Why are we riding in this?
I review. I can't be honest. I know you too. Walking down through the fields, I still want you.
As soon as we got back, our priority was getting our horses away, getting Vinny back on the float, and getting Max in his paddock as quickly as possible, so we didn't film any of that. Say massive thanks to my godmother, because without her we wouldn't have been able to get the horses away as fast as we could. Like, she was grabbing, she was putting our gear away, bringing us our rugs. Like, she was so amazing working with us in the storm and really helping us, because she didn't have to at all, and we both really appreciate it. I actually can't believe that just happened. Like, we were riding in the rain and the thunder, and the minute we got back and pretty much got the horses away, like, I was walking Max down, and it started thundering so much. There was lightning above us, fault lightning coming down. Like, my heart is still beating so fast, and I've already driven home. I'm sorry I look like trash. I was kind of terrified, and I'm absolutely soaked. Like, you can't really see how soaked I am, but I'm drenched. Oh, that was way more eventful than I thought it was going to be. And driving home, I was driving probably about 70 on the 100k roads because they were so wet. Like, there was water over the roads. No, there's no words. I'm too speechless because I'm just so like, oh my god, I can't believe this just happened. Like, we're so lucky we got the horse, we got Vinny in the float, and we got Max away so quickly, because I don't want to think about what would have happened if I was holding on to Max when it started hailing, or when the thunder got really bad and when there was forked lightning coming down. Like, he was scared, he was running around in his paddock. Like, I can't believe that just happened. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I hope it provided you with some entertainment. Bye.